What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Join me and my little brother today as we try to make this 8-foot scrap wood, bent wood workbench with kayak storage. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and let's go. Alrighty, so we've got all the wood unloaded. We got the pieces picked out that we want to use for the tabletop, the straightest ones. Now all we have to do is put it all together, make the box, do the cuts, measure twice, cut once, all that fun stuff. So stick around. Well, the batteries died, all of them, so now we're charging them, and to kill time, we are going to play with some RC cars. Alright, batteries are charged, back to work. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, everybody, thanks for joining us on our build of our outdoor work table bench thing. Really didn't know what we were doing. We just kind of winging it. Kind of had an idea from the beginning, but not sure how to turn out. All the boards are warped. They've been left out in the weather. Our parents are really cool for letting us have it, and I really appreciate my little brother Tanner, for bringing the wood and giving me a helping hand. He did a great work with the camera and great work with holding the boards and helping me straighten them out. Alright guys, y'all be good. Peace.